So let's go to the garage. Oh damn! Luckily the summer will come back in 5 months. Okay. Here you can see what the real freestyle lifestyle is. Yeah, let's put the heater on. 0 degrees is not so good for a garage evening. Yeah, this is my best friend in the winter time. So we just came here home to my parents' place, where my compound is. We got like 15-20 cents of snow. Now for next we will go to the compound and watch if we find some ramps and landings and try to make our way there. Let's see if we will make it. So in 24 hours all the snow is melt and we just have the rain, water and all the dirt left, and I got my spike tires. So the landings are super soft, it's extremely windy, so I think the only thing we can do today is to ride some motocross just to get some bike hours before the next shows and hope for a better day tomorrow. So now I lost the brakes. I checked my rear brake pads is done. So I think we will spend the rest of the evening in a garage fixing the bike.
Niko taking over the Sebfmx dealer.
So maybe you can move here and clean my rim and I should leave.
Wrong time.
Well, who we got here? Kasper Kumpulainen. Let's see. Yeah. The beast. Let's put the stuff here in the garage. It's the only warm place. That looks like a good warm-up.
That's why 2-stroke guys are in better shape than 4-stroke guys.
Come on. Yeah, I think it's gonna be good. So what the freestyle rider needs: duct tape and zip size. Is it zip size?
I don't know.
So this is kind of behind the scenes stuff. You just always see the clean and nice gear we have when we ride the shows, and this is how it used to look. You know, we're fixing all the gear and bikes all the time, and then we ride 10% of the time. Yeah, let's ride. Kassu, what do you think? Finland's California?
The weather is nice in here in California.
So not that windy today, but super wet. Kassu. Oh yeah. So we got some riding done. Yeah, feels good to ride a little bit, get some hours before Helsinki MP-messut. Yeah, there we will be riding with summer tires, both of us again, in a part of Stuntfreaks team show. Let's see if we get some more riding before that, but for today I think we're done. I have a lot of fixing because the landing is so muddy, and see you next time.
Hey guys, I'm Niko and I'm the guy behind the camera, and before we end today's episode, Seb has one more thing to you guys, so let's swipe back to his place.
Thanks, Niko. So, like Niko said to you, I have a small surprise. And the surprise is that you can win this riding jersey. It's from my last season and I don't actually need it anymore. So the only thing you have to do is to go down to the comment field. Tell me which brand is this shirt. Between all the right answers, I will choose one lucky winner and tell it in the next vlog. And then you will get this riding jersey with my sign. So, let's go and comment. See you in the next vlog.